This is a short break from my ordinary program to talk to my returning viewers. Hello! If you've seen me before, then you already know who I am, and then this video is for you. Otherwise, hi, my name is John, and in this channel we are serious about play and games. I make a lot of different kind of videos, and maybe you should start in one of the other ones, probably up here somewhere. Because for now I would like to talk to you who have been here before and say hi and thank you. This channel is about 1 year old by now, and by now there are some people who are coming back over and over, and I am so grateful for that. So this video is about talking about that year and talking about the upcoming year. So thanks for being here. It's so great to see faces that I've seen before. This has happened over 3 periods. The first one was friends, old and new, that started coming, of course. So Ottar Kremer, I think you were among the first ones to comment and talk to. You guys can actually see him in one of the early clips from the Spiel Essen fair when I interview him about his experience of the fair. Mr. A. Sebring, we've been talking for a long time, on and off video, and you can see him as well. I think I present him as Arcadia, the musician. And then there are other people that you haven't seen. Falutrollet, Mats Sjögren, both from my old town of Falun. I have a book here, that's why I'm looking down. Samuel Gyllenberg, Founders Fire, Erik Vestas was the last one. I haven't seen him in 10-15 years. He was one of my old schoolmates, and here he was suddenly commenting on one of my newer videos. So hi to you as well, it's super nice to have you here. The other people I really would like to say hi to is the people in the action figure communities. Corbra Lang, I think you are watching quite a lot because I see your name every now and then. Justice Curie, thanks for the nice comments as well. He's making a lot of stuff himself as well, so you could go check him out. And the third community that is starting to become this is the people in the hashtag #NoSmallCreators. Mitch Pham TV, Sam Morris Artist, Scott Silva, Phyllis Care. And it's really nice to have you here. It's really nice to see you over and over again. There's also a lot of people who seem to have found my videos through especially the Square Off video. So hi to you as well. The last year was my first year. And it's still a very small channel. I think we are 60 people or something like that has subscribed. But I think the subscriber count doesn't really tell the truth either. So I don't know how many we are. If you feel you are one of those returning customers, say hi to me. Just leave a comment saying hi, or since it's the new year or has just been around the corner, say Happy New Year. For the upcoming year, I hope to be able to continue to do what I've been starting to doing now. I want to be able to give you more of those game design videos, but not get stuck in that. So I hope to be able to give you other stuff as well. For now there will be a lot of game design videos, but then we will probably move back into some LARP stuff in February. And then as summer comes around the corner here in Sweden, May, June, then of course there's a lot of LARP and reenactment happening. Hopefully there will be some board games, there will be some action figures, painting, talking a bit more to the magicians, but no promises in any of this, except I'm gonna make you a semi-promise, and that is, I won't promise you I will make a video every week, but my goal is to make a video every week. So check back weekly, and if you've been here before, I love you for it, thanks for coming back. Leave a comment, just say hi, just so I know who you are, and say hi to each other, because this is starting to feel like a small community. And you are the first one in that community, and as we grow you are gonna be my original gamesters that were here from the beginning, and it's so nice to have you. So with that, I see you next week with more of a regular program. Bye!